So hey guys, I'm excited about this one. So you might ask yourself, what part from the new Integra can you put on the TLX that looks way better and it fits like it's made for it? Well, let me share these with you. I just picked them up. Again, these are for the new 2023 Acura Integra, but they fit way better on the TLX. And I don't know why they didn't come standard like that. So let me go ahead and open these up and I'll show you what I just picked up. So check those out, guys. It's the aluminum door sill trim. Now, you might be saying, well, the TLX came with them, which it did, at least the Aspec ones do. But they're really teeny. They're only, I think, a foot long. I measured them when I took them off, where these are just about 20 inches. So I would say the TLX ones are probably about that big right there from the edge. So probably right there is where they stop. They're really small. So one thing I noticed when I got the car is when you open the door, it's a big door sill and it has a very small little piece of aluminum sill trim, which kind of looked like an afterthought. And these are identical as far as the way they're made, the logo and the little design they have on it, and it's inlaid in plastic. Real nice. Like I said, I saw these. I definitely had to pick them up. Now, it has 3 pins in here, and of course they aren't going to line up with the TLX, but I'll show you here how to make it really easy to install. Okay, so if you remember, I put these little carbon fiber ones on, so I'm going to take these off, heat them up a little bit just to make it not as sticky, and then just pull it off. Okay, so if you remember when I've done many of these, the factory drills into the car, so you have these holes. So, of course, they're made for the smaller sills, so it's not going to line up with the Integra sills. But it's really easy to do. So there's 3 of them here. This center one is the center point when they put the factory ones on. So all you're going to do, you're going to snap the center one in and remove the white clips on the outsides, and that'll keep this sill centered on the door sill. Very easy way to do it. Since Acura already did the job to put that center hole, you already know it's centered. So this one will be centered and it's just a longer piece. So it's an easy way to do it. Then all you need to do is put some double-sided tape on the edges, a little bit on the right and left sides, and stick it, and that'll keep it from wobbling. Really easy. Like I said, this is a very simple straight through. See, if you lined it up anywhere else, it's not going to be centered. So that's the nice part about this, is you don't have to get a tape measure and measure the gaps and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty simple. And these clips come out really easy. They just slide out. It's hard to do it with one hand. But you just pull them away, and these are, of course, brand new and never been installed, so they're really tight. But here's how they are. They just slide in. They have a little groove. You can take a needle nose pliers if you want, but it comes out, you'll notice, not too bad. And then right here, you just have the center one, and you're just gonna line that over the top and push it down. Okay, now it's pushed down, but if you see what I mean, see how much better that looks? Fills up the whole door sill. But without the tabs on the sides, it'll just move around on you, since you can't use the clips on the outside. So just put a little bit of 3M tape on the edges, a couple strips on each side, and then just line it up so it's equal on the edge here, and then push it down. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the final product. Okay, so here they are. I love how they look. Like I said, I love the design, and these are a lot longer. Now, I haven't pulled this back yet. I might not, I don't know, because I know these things get scratched really easy when you kick them. But they're super solid on there. I just used 2 pieces of double-sided 3M tape on each edge. That's all I did. And they're super tight on there now. They actually fit better than the OEM ones because those, they just use those clips. So when you pushed them, they kind of would move a little bit. So that's all I did. So if you guys have the TLX and you want a bigger sill, but you don't want to spend the $400 for the ones that light up, it's a great option. The list price on these is like $38 a piece. So for about $80, you can get both of these. I'll put the part numbers in the description. Check with your local dealer, check online, see where you can get the best prices at. A lot of it depends on shipping. But like I said, it's a simple swap and looks way better than the stock ones. That's why I took the other ones off. I love the aluminum look. I just did not like how small they were. And then here I'm just still using the carbon fiber ones since Acura doesn't make any for the rear. Only on the MDX, I believe, and the RDX. And those ones are too long to fit. So check the description, guys, if you guys want to pick these up. Like I said, for the cost, they really add that extra little touch. Like I said, I think these should have been stock on both cars, especially since the doors are so big on this car. It looks way better. So again, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.